Oh.
Yo.
Yo.
Just a bit of support on the left for GJ.
Yeah. I'll take it
Oh,
over.
it's literally right on it.
Alright, 1 second. Just need to get this video thing working again. There we go. Okay. So, welcome everyone to a new week. So yeah, I saw a little bit of a gold 5-minute trend line. There was an actual break. Let's take a look. Yeah, there's one there. I saw this happening here, but I think that was too steep. Yeah, it's too steep. But for people who took that, I think they like the 5-minute double bottom pretty much, which is good. So let's just take a look at GJ, because GJ looks interesting. Yeah, I see what you mean with the left-hand side. It's pretty close to breaking it, but we don't know too much. Let's take a look at the Oanda one as well, actually.
Yeah, it's literally bang on it on Oanda.
Yeah. Okay, so daily time frame. Let's take a look. It's bearish and it's breaking the previous low right now. Okay, so that's pretty good for it to continue down. On the weekly outlook, I discussed this level that, you know, it's either going to react as support on this level or close below and continue bearish. It's quite an interesting area. The 4-hour time frame over here is bearish also. So overall, pretty bearish, right? Take a look at the hourly and the 30 and all that kind of stuff. Take a look to the left. Yeah, so yeah, there's a little minor one right here, which is actually right on it. But I mean, you know, it's one of them things, right? It's closed. It hasn't even closed below, so that's okay. Yeah, that 30-minute closed very, very strong bearish though, so it's got enough volume to push if it wants to. If you take a look at potential areas to fill, okay, so where, if we do break below this level, where could we continue? Well, we pretty much continue down to here, right? Yeah, 163.60. So it's actually, you know, it's a pretty big zone, right? Pretty big zone below. So yeah, I mean, 11 minutes left. If this candle reflips and breaks the low, you could potentially go for an impulse. But I think I'm probably just gonna wait for 15 closure. Further below, I think. Yeah, because the 30's actually closed below on this left hand side. It's just this left here hasn't. Yeah. So we'll see. Good morning, everyone. So yeah, sells below. I mean, you could try and get in aggressively because it looks like it has enough volume, so that could be reasonable. But the easiest part would be sells below here. It'll also be below like 750 level as well. 167.92. Let's put this on. Yeah, beautiful. So sells below there is going to be pretty good, man. Like the zone below is clean, very, very clean, which I'm happy with. So yeah, let me just check a couple things. So hope everyone is doing well. Squad, let me just actually put this on. How's YouTube doing? You trade on bank holidays? Question mark. Is there a bank holiday today?
US
Canada.
tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Canada's got a
No,
holiday.
it's US today.
Oh, it's today, is it?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
The fuck? Mine says tomorrow.
Hmm.
Yeah, so no NY stream then today. Well, we could see how the volume is. We'll probably look at 12 o'clock and see if it's busy. But for the most part, it's just a pain in the ass bank holidays. So we'll see. What's it actually for? Let's take a look. US banks will be closing observance of Columbus Day. Alright, okay. So yeah, it'll be low volume for NY session. Gold may be a little bit rangy today.
I think Canada's Thanksgiving. I think.
Why the fuck does mine say it's tomorrow?
Well, because you're from Australia, it probably is tomorrow for you.
Yeah, but
Hmm.
It is tomorrow
well.
for you, Finn. You're going to bed soon.
no, but still, normally it's on the right day.
Oh yeah, it's just all day. Yeah, I suppose it's subjective.
On the Tuesday.
Yeah.
It's
We'll
Japanese yen sports holiday as well.
Fucking hell.
Like me, mate. I'm gonna start
Blood got
trading
blood
fucking South African rand.
I know. Yeah, so NY might be a little bit shit today. Oh, these cells in GJ look good if we get a closure below 7.9. Like clean zone, boy. Target 16400. I think that's probably looking like the only clean area really on GJ. Could also make a double bottom down here. That's not his best time. Good morning, Mr. Bry.
How's it, are you?
Not too bad, yeah.
Good.
Too bad. Sorted the gaff out. Yeah, weekend's been decent. Just saw a lot of mates, catch up, so that's good.
Good stuff.
It's good. Yeah, so we'll go through Goldie as well. But yeah, it's not been too bad. Yeah. So yeah, went for the trades last week. Pretty good. Look at the things we went well with, and some things we didn't go too well in. After the stream today, we'll go through the homework. We'll mark up our little homework over here. Oh yes. Yeah, you're looking for this, people. 790 below 790. I think for me here, it's pretty.
Yeah,
good.
because it's a 1H 30 and 15.
Yeah.
It's the same level. It's a 1H 30 and 15. So definitely, I want to sell everything today. Actually.
Yeah.
So same as what Finn said. Gold is looking good to sell. GJ is looking good to sell. But we're gonna react off that 1H 30 15 support for sure. Definitely, it will. But yeah, I think sells are on the cards for a lot of things here.
Yeah, look at that pull up though. Fucking hell. Wow, I thought I might miss this, before, but nope, held it pretty nicely.
Yeah.
GPY holidays today, USD and CAD tomorrow. I don't know. I don't trust you, Australian guys. You're fucking 10 days ahead. It says USD
like 10
bank.
hours.
It says USD bank holiday all day today. But the thing is, your Monday is pretty much finished, so it has to be tomorrow, because it is tomorrow. USD, you need to remember, USD isn't really opened up yet. It's still like 2 a.m. in the morning. So it's not the start of their day yet. But it's 7 a.m. when you guys start going to bed, then it's the full day. So that's what I think. I think it's just because you guys are fucking 10 hours ahead. Yeah, last holiday bank holiday made like 10%. I never see that vibe. I think maybe in the mornings, like if there's a US bank holiday and London session, but normally US just fucking ranges. Also doesn't help right now that NY is pretty disgusting in terms of volume. Okay, let's take a look at gold. So I actually thought gold was going to be bearish this week because we're retesting this level. Can you see? So we broke below 1700, came all the way back, retested it, and now it's starting to form resistance, which is good. So yeah, and I actually want to target this bit. So this actually is quite intriguing. I'm actually liking this. It's just if there's enough volume today. But my whole thing for the weekly outlook that I put in the group was this 1 second. This area here is an area of interest. This whole area. It's pretty clean. Take a look on the hourly time frame. It's just the same story. It's just very clean. So let's look at the 4 hour. It's actually not that bad. It's pretty. Yeah, the daily looks good. So I mean, in the terms of taking trades, just closure below that support. You've got pretty much clean candles all the way down to here. 1673, which takes 130 pips. So, in terms of sells, I just want to close you below here. To be honest, it's 1685, and then we can take the sells. If we're breaking the Asian lows, if we're breaking the daily lows, the 4 hour previous lows, the hourly previous lows, the 30-minute previous lows, the 15, just kind of still got that thing again. You know, if we get a sell below 1685, break at the 4 hour lows. So that's on the cards for sure, because the zone below is nice. Hourly's got no top bottom wick as well, so it's just making the top wick right now. So yeah, maybe in the next couple 15-30 minute candles we could get a closure below here. 1685.596. Very, very nice. So yeah, we'll see. Sells below. I think for buys is this fuck all I really want for buys, to be honest with you. Yeah. So yeah, pretty bearish in all of them, eh? I'll agree, Brian. Pretty bearish. They look the best. Let's take a look at EJ as well. How did Asian session do? Yeah, it didn't really do too much, did it? Gold did though. Gold pushed down quite a lot. Ooh, looks like EJ is closed below. Interesting. So yeah, 143 people in here already. Wow, they don't take any trades yet. And there's some people might have got that gold one. That like the bottom one was decent. It was decent to start your week off. Have you got any big news actually in the other days? Take a look. GDP and employment rate. GDP on Wednesday. There's quite a lot of news for pound. USD, CPI. So yeah, it's the usual. Quite a lot of news. I'll probably do a buy stop and a sell stop on like pound news, to be honest with you, at 7 AM. Little GDP one. So the 50 minutes gonna close bullish probably engulfing the previous. So it's a big support, right? It's got a double bottom. I don't think it's too clean for a double bottom in the buys. I think it's still way too bearish. So we're just gonna wait for a closure below. What's Pippa Max? What up? Hope you had a good weekend. I'm still bloody ill, which is great. My throat's been killing me. So yeah. And now we just wait. The patient game starts. We just wait for a closure below. So yeah, while we're doing that, I'll do the EJ as well. Oh my god. So, the 4-hour time frame. Very, very similar to the daily, just bearish. Pretty actually close to each other as well. So, let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, you know, EJ's making a top wick. There actually isn't much below it, to be honest with you. Good roll sneezing today. So yeah, I mean, maybe a closure below 141,250 to fill this zone up, but this zone's actually not the cleanest, to be honest with you. It's a little bit sus.
Can you go back to GJ when you're done?
Yeah. So yeah, maybe a closure below 141,250, fill that range up. That actually could be not too bad. Yeah, Bri?
GJ 4H. You can see we're in a downward channel.
Yeah.
At current price.
Uh-huh.
So we've got this from last week, eh? We're at 160, 161. Okay, if you then just drop down to the 1H. That same channel is still respecting. We've now obviously got that 1H support, right?
Yeah.
And what I see here is a fake out. So we need this 1H to close. So the direction could change.
For sure. For sure. If the hourly closes, yeah.
Yeah, so even though we've got the key level, which means the lower time frames is then telling us we're souping, right? So we just need this 1H to decide where it wants to go. It's bearish, but you know, because of the key level, the fake out, the support, etc., we could see some buys on the cards as well.
For sure. Yeah, I mean, you know, if you look at the daily here, it is just dabbing into these daily rejection wicks, right?
Yeah.
To the left, there's quite a lot of them. All there. Oh my god, I'm gonna throw this camera out the window. The fucking port. It's just a port. It's just a port, bro.
On your PC.
Ah, fuck off. Let me
100% win rate. Can't flinch for spending some bucks.
You're fucking right. Let me move this. Let me move this piece of shit. Try the front of the PC. I don't think this is gonna be any fucking different, but anyway. I'm sick of hearing that bloody noise.
Oh, it's fucking hay fever season here. My god.
I know, I'm dying. I might have that.
Fuck, you're always dying.
Yeah, Max is off.
Yeah, I've literally got fucking. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with me. My throat, my nose is just painful bad all the time.
It's because you're sleeping with that Shih Tzu again.
There's no the fucking Shih Tzus on. Yeah, they've gone on their holidays as well. They've gone on their fucking holidays. Well, jealous. Hey Max, would you say gold is making a top wick for the hourly? Yeah, you could say so. Yeah, but you could also say it could be making some support as well. If you take a look at the 15, we are just in a range, so I wouldn't just think, you know, the hourly here when you flip take a sell because it looks like there is a support. But if you get a closure below, then I think you'll be pretty good. The Bank of England has announced additional measures to support market functions. They did the same 2 weeks ago. Ah, very nice. I'm sure that Liz Truss is doing lots of amazing things. She's got the worst vote of confidence vote in any Prime Minister ever. So that's pretty mad. Good morning. Ginger and lemon tea does the trick. I know, but fuck, do I have to go and find some ginger in a fucking supermarket and like cut that shit up? I do that shit.
Or you can buy ginger and lemon tea, like, or honey tea, like just packets.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Why don't you have some in the house?
Too much effort, you know what I mean?
Fuck off.
Let's go to like an Asian tea shop now. I'll give you ginger tea, mate.
Wow, there's loads of them here. Not. Everyone have sell stops on gold break of the 4-hour lows. Yeah, I mean it's something I can think about if we start getting there. Oh fuck off! Can you guys hear this noise? Oh Lord have mercy.
Yeah, we can.
Oh my god. Like, I'm literally doing nothing. It's just okay, well done for connecting again. Now shut up. Ah!
What seems to be happening in that house today again?
Oh, Lord have mercy. This fucking house. It's because this ports below are better. Wait. What about port there? These ports at the back just fucking don't want it. It's literally just when I move. Ah, God. So yeah, we'll see if we get back down to them lows. Is GJ chilling? 15 closed. USB drivers must be updated. Okay, this is what I gotta do. This is what I gotta do today. Yeah, I've been using that ClickUp thing. It's fucking, I quite like it. It's good stuff. Organizes your day pretty well. Max, I have a camera I can sell to you for $5. Ooh, yes. Sounds like a bargain. It's fucking, it's Hein to pay for his new trading account.
Pay for his next trading account.
Man, you're gonna get a long way with $5.
So it's a nice top wick, hasn't even broke the high of the previous. It's good. And it is clean below, man. I mean, if you can get the 4-hour break, the hourly lows and stuff like that, I think it could be pretty good. The fuck happened to your camera? Oh yeah, let me activate it again. There you go. Please ask Sashin how much he has selling this backtesting soft. Wait, what? How much he's made? Oh, how much he's made? I don't know.
Probably on like 2K already.
Billions, mate. Billions.
Billions and billions. A lot of people watch that story. I posted that thing about hitting 30k and 3,000 people saw that story. Holy shit. Fucking Sashin's gonna have fucking billions of people like him.
A gypsy hustler.
Did you call me?
A gypsy hustler.
Gypsy hustler. Yeah. Still be coming in the shop, mate. Fucking bastards. You can't even kick them. They're like 5-year-old kids stealing fucking cans of Coke.
Really?
What are you gonna do? Yeah, just fucking
Yeah,
shit.
just fucking drop kick them. What the hell is Raj's this is the first time I've seen Raj's Twitter. That's good shit. He's actually doing pretty well. Let's take a look at what he's looking for. G looking specifically shorts below 167.20. That's the same as us pretty much. Yeah. We have clean range in the 1 hour time frame all the way to 159,600. 159,600. Do I agree? 159,600. Yeah, down here. Yeah, I mean, there's a little minor one there, but for sure, all the way down there's pretty good. Or buys above 161,650. Price only moves up or down. Wait for confirmation. What did you say? 161,650. Yeah, so above this level. Yeah, that's reasonable. You see, he's just avoiding. He's avoiding this, and he's wanting this, and he's wanting this. That's all it is. And let's take a look for gold then. He said, gold is in a great range. Sells below 1685 is where price can continue to short. If you look left, nothing's stopping it there. Okay, that's exactly what I've said. Below 1685 is beautiful. Oh, we're pushing down quite a lot. Fuck, I might actually have to get ready over here. So the hourlies came down. The 30 minutes about to flip. 5 minutes left. The hourly time frame has rejected the highs. So looks interesting. So 5 minutes after this 30, see how it closes, but it's looking like it's got good rejection already. $16.85. 16.87. And yeah, man, we're very, very clean all the way down here. To be honest, it's pretty nice. We could run pretty nicely over here. 1680 would be a good target halfway through. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a closure 4 minutes time. But isn't it a bank holiday? Yeah, but it's later on. It's fine. London volume is London volume, but when NY comes around, yeah, it's probably gonna range. So we'll see how the volume is at like 12 o'clock. Yeah, if there's no volume, then we won't do NY. But if there is, we'll see. But you got to remember that if you take a trade in NY and you lose it, you are going to be rather pissed with yourself because you know it's a bank holiday. So for me, normally I just leave it until the next day. Both on GJ, no, the pound is open and this is pre-London. So for Asian session it was, but not for London session. You'll line up this Goldie Bry.
I may already be in there. Boy.
Let's take a look, see if you get how you got in higher up. Is there anything on the...
It's on the 5.
Just a double top. Just a double top.
Go to the 5.
Oh, that's a fucking OB. In here?
Yeah, so just jump to the 5 minute. Is that the 5?
Yeah.
Okay, so I had that obviously right.
Yeah.
And this is a small fake out to that area. Still the area of interest, right? We got the retest, and I took that flip. Stop.
That's beautiful entry. Oh! You could be if you're in a good ride here.
Yeah, this could be the run.
This is the one that you hold. So closing in 2 minutes. How big are stops? Quite big. They're quite big. Rather big. So flipping the 30, very, very nice. Very close to closing, so just gonna wait a little longer. But can you see we're getting very close to breaking 4-hour previous lows, hourly previous lows, 30-minute previous lows, 50-minute previous lows. So it's like what we did last week. And we ran pretty far.
Now's a good time to close your trade then.
I wanna buy a new screen.
We're on 33 pips up. Just closed 50%.
Very nice, very nice. Right back to Asian lows. Good stuff. So how big's this stop gonna be? Ho! Ho ho! A little bit large. 30 pips. Oh, well, it's percentage risk, so I don't really give a fuck. The zone's at more than 30 pips, so I don't really care. What up, Antonio, my man? Antonio is the OG, man.
How you doing, my guy? How you doing?
Not too bad, bro. How are you?
Bro, I've been chilling, bro. Just living life.
Yeah,
you know?
man. You been grinding?
Bro, hella. Just been swing trading and staying out the trap.
Nice, man.
Good, yeah. How you been, though, brother?
Not too bad, yeah. Just chilling.
That's good.
Chilling,
That's
man.
good. That's good.
Group's having
The game's
fun.
growing.
Yeah, man.
Growing, yeah.
Yeah, me
Sure,
and
bro.
Antonio used to be on the streams together. Back in the day. That was a year ago, eh?
Bro, facts. A year around this time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, it's- time goes too quick, man.
Bro, too quick. Too
Too
quick.
quick, man. So this 30-minute time frame. I wish it closed a little bit further below. To be honest with you, I should close a little bit further on. It closed right at the support. So maybe the break of the low would be nice. The 4-hour break of the low down here would be nice, but I might have to wait for an extra 15 to be honest. And I do know that I could miss the push, but the stop's big and it didn't really close strongly below. So I'm probably gonna wait for an extra 15. But I do know that if it breaks this 4-hour low here, I'm probably gonna push pretty hard. But my stop's like 40 pips, so I gotta find a better way to get in. And if it gives me it, that's fine. If it doesn't, then touch shit, I couldn't get in. So that's what I gotta wait for. I've got 29 people in this one and shit. Get the squad. Yeah, man, fucking that was a year ago, holy shit. My mic's going bad again. How can I move that to keep it straight? Oh, shit. Yeah, I gotta fix these ports. I gotta get this driver. Great idea today. Okay, so I think Goldie's coming pretty close. Goldie's coming pretty close to these lows. Ah, such a shame, man. I can't really get in. Brian, you're gonna have a fucking field day here, bro.
So clean to the left, man.
Yeah.
There is a 4-hour sub, like halfway.
Nah.
You'll see it to the left. Yeah, there. Yeah. I've got a line there.
Mhm.
But we'll see what it does when it gets close.
Yeah.
I'll be able to buy that screen today then.
Mhm. For sure.
Brian, are you BE already? Have you gone BE now?
Yeah, I've got break even, yeah.
Yeah.
Do.
Nice.
Touch days and lows on 1 minute.
So 12 minutes left for this candle. So I am not gonna lie, I am praying that this candle just does this. And the next one can wick up and then flip. Ah, my god. This fucking thing's giving me a fucking brain hemorrhage right now. Oh god. Fuck off! Oh my god.
I love these days when they start like this.
Ah, it's just annoying, bro. Fuck off.
Max, your weekly outlook, man. You started having a fit about.
Well, because my mouse
So
started
funny.
lagging as well. What the fuck is this? Just stay in the port and just fucking do your job.
Come on, push.
Go on, push it.
It's broken days and lows, Max.
Oh, great. Can't wait to not be in this trade. if that fucking 30 just closed a little bit fucking further below.
I
Yeah.
was got whipped out by 1 pip. 1 pip.
Yeah, that's cock. That's...
Oh, fuck me sideways.
Have you squeezed your pots with some pliers to tighten them or not, Maxi boy?
No.
I'll find a plier, mate.
You can't find a plier.
Oh,
Scissors.
This fucking stupid piece of shit. Put that in that port. This port's below that much easier, but then I have to reconnect my mouse. One sec.
Put a flathead screwdriver in and just tilt it up so it pushes off your computer and it'll bend it in for you. Only needs a tiny little bit just to hold it in place.
Right, I'll see now. I think I've put it in a better port. So broken the flower lows, so looks good to continue. I would be in this trade if the stop loss was not fucking 40 pips, but it is right now. Bye, Goldie. Bye. See you later. How much is the stop? Just like getting it actually there. 32 pips. It's not actually too bad.
You did say about having bigger stops.
Yeah. It's 30 pip stops and I hadn't closed below. That's the only thing. If it closed below, I would have taken it, but it didn't. It's okay, so you got 10 minutes left. Come on, fuck around here a bit longer, please. GJ is also coming down, so I'll keep an eye on GJ as well. Hey, I'm loving this weather me now. Nice cold weather. It's gorgeous. It's 5 minutes about to flip. Break the lows. 8 minutes left for me to get in. But I have a feeling I may just miss this. I'm kind of hoping for a retest there. Yes. Now just mess around there. This could actually fake out, so this is my little cause of concern. This is the only reason why I'm not getting in, because the 15 and the 30 hadn't closed below yet. So this could just fake back out. I highly doubt it now, but I mean, what you could do is getting on the break of this 5 minute low and just see the push. I'm just holding my nutsacks for 8 minutes. See if I can get in. Fitty boy, did you find a way to get in yet or not? Still waiting?
No, I've been up and down off my PC. I just got back before. I don't know if this is gone just yet. Got to get in with a reasonable stop. That's all.
Yeah. Getting at the retest. Yeah, you could get in here now with the current stops before, but I'd rather just wait another 7 minutes or so and just get the confirmation. But yeah, it's a good one. You could get to the retest here. Stop loss above 30 pips.
30 pip stop.
Yeah, it's all right. The zone's fucking more than 30 pips, so you just gotta hold it on a little longer. I'm just a bit concerned that this could fake out.
Yeah, I don't like that this is flipped the 15 back ball now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's highly
me off.
possible you can come back.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I'd rather just wait.
Turns me off a little bit.
Yeah. Gold's gonna retrace. What's those sounds? It's just my fucking camera, bro. It's actually not our camera, it's just the port. The ports just seem to shit itself. 30 likes over here, guys. Amazing work. So yeah, we'll see how it reacts in this 5 minute. If we do get another 5 minute that closes back below, then we're going balls deep, and I'm going to take a sell on that break of the low there. Yes. Is anything going on in Russia still? I see Ukraine just bomb that bridge. That's quite a fuck you move. The playing with fucking thin ice over here, though. My guy's gonna get the nukes out, and he's not gonna be fucking happy with that. You know what I mean? Starting to piss him off a bit. Like they're just bombing the bridges to Crimea and stuff. Be careful. He's got his little submarines coming.
He just has to push one button and then there's a big bomb.
Yeah. You just broke that bridge. They can nuke your fucking lands. So this is good. 6 minutes left, so we can see where this closes. If this closes below and then breaks the previous low, then it should be pretty good. Is GJ still there yet? Not yet, but it looks pretty good. Owlie's made the top wick now. Still got 20 minutes left until 8 o'clock open, so it looks good for sells, man. Maybe 8 o'clock open.
Just look at GJ on the 5 minute.
Just take a look. Oh, that was a nice retest there, eh?
Oh, you just got in that, didn't you, Brian?
Is it on the 3 minute? Ah, wow.
5, the double bottom. Fuck. Oh. Hold on.
Might come back up and just take us out and then done. But we'll see.
That's cool. We live in a simulation. We live inside a simulation. You guys are having some Truman Show shit over here. That movie's class. Truman Show. I watched that when I was fucking stoned out of my mind, and all the lads in the room knew about, like watched it, but I hadn't, and I just couldn't get my head around what was going on. I just couldn't get it. Like Lou's like, look at the corner there. There's like a camera crew, and like he's just gone into a room where he shouldn't be in. I'm like, what the fuck are you on about? I'm just watching a movie, just trying to vibe here. I don't get it. And then I finally found out when he touched the fucking wall. It took me that long when he touched the wall when he was out to sea. Only when I knew, I was like, oh my god, what the fuck is he in? That's right at the end. Oh, do you know what I did yesterday as well? I bought extended Lord of the Rings editions. Oh, 4.5 hours long, the first one.
Oh god.
Oh, it's amazing. I put my nerd hat on last night when I was watching that shit. So 3 minutes left. Get that closure, please. It was a B-Day present for Putin. I've observed that when there's less volume, gold tends to cheat price action. Said earlier that it would retrace. Ah, yeah, well maybe, you know, it's its day off, so it might just fuck around here. It may just fuck around. And if so, that's fine. That's okay, we've got plenty of days left in the month. I'm not asked at all. Zelensky's office got attacked in Kiev. Oof. 200 people here for London Open. Very nice. Traders DC in. Ah, DC's in a sell over here on GJ. Wow, he uses every time frame. Oh my god, he's got the 4 minute up, the 5 minute up, the 6 minute up, the 7 minute up, the 8 minute up, and the 9 minute up. God dang. It's a lot of minutes. Interesting. This has got quite a good double bottom now, to be honest with you. Got quite
it's a strong level now.
Yeah. Strong ass level. So gold didn't continue, but I mean, what did I expect, right? I did expect price to push when it broke that 4 hour low. However, we didn't get a closure below, so I did not jump in because I didn't have the confirmation. How much did it run after the 4 hour low? 4 or 5 pips, that's fair. Still waiting for this little closure though. Does anyone know Luke Trades London? I think some people know of him. I don't really know too much about him, but I've heard of the name. Oh, EJ is pushing down as well. 50 minute coming down. So gold's pushing back in the zone. Look, it made a low wick, tapped Asian lows and started pushing. So yes, it's come back in the zone now. And there we go. A little bit of discipline jumping in there for me. Just didn't get the closure below. So what I mean, guys, if you're new here, is this candle, this bearish candle here, did not close below the support. Okay, so it was still holding the support on the 15 and the 30. So yeah, it's not ready yet. But if this hourly closes, still got 15 minutes left. Could be okay. To be honest, if it gave me a top earlier, I would have entered a sell. It did give you a top wick. That 30-minute gave you a massive one. Yeah, Max, the previous gold 1 hour didn't have much of a wick down, kind of sus, eh? The hourly, previous hour didn't have a wick down. It's fine, I'm not too arsed about that. I just know that this is a support and it's held it. 15's closed bullish, but it didn't close below in the first place anyway, so it's not a fake out, it's just a support holding, that's all. So I was looking for here was a trade like this. Yeah, I was looking for this, with this candle to close below, but it didn't do it yet. So maybe 8 o'clock's going to do it, right? And that's perfect, right? Because it's 8 o'clock high volume time. That's what I'm probably going to want. The break of that low would be nice. 8 o'clock open, so... hope we don't push and hit it straight away before then. So yeah, looking like GJ's gonna push up over here, I think. So I wonder how DC's gonna manage his risk over here. So flipping the 4-hour candle, big wicks to the reject. So yeah, looks pretty good to reject the bottoms over here. The only issue is that the levels look a bit sus in terms of trades. I think for me, if I wanted, he's minus 15 drawdown. If I wanted to take a buy, it's probably going to be above here, which is I think what Roger said as well, above 620, 630. Because then you'll get all this clean zone before you hit that OB up there, and then probably take a sell from there, to be honest. So yeah, let's just write this on as well. Write this on. Was there any of the 5 minutes you could have got in there, Bri? And do you like any up here, down here for the buys? Isn't really.
Yeah, not before that double top.
Yeah.
No. I was taken out there anyway.
Yeah.
It went like 7.6 or something.
Nearly got it. Nearly got it.
Almost.
Brian, did you close?
Tapped out, mate.
Yeah, break
You did,
even.
okay.
Yeah.
GJ break even for me, but EJ was nice in the hourly with the retest. Oh yeah, that was a nice hourly retest. 100%. Stop loss above as well. Yeah, that was pretty good, eh? That was pretty good, eh? Let's go here. Got 10 pips on GU, 30-minute flip, previous closed above support. Current 15 had no bottom wick, so secured at 10. Very nice. Very, very nice. Use your knowledge of the top wicks as well to close a little bit before. Very good. Very nice. Let's take a look Here looking like a very strong double bottom. Yeah, for sure. Looking like a strong double bottom, but also to the left hand side looking like a pretty rangy and pretty bad price action left hand side for buys. So, you know what I mean? Like the buys on GJ were nice here, but here and here are gonna be maybe a little bit sus because there's a lot of resistances.
Yeah, and we still need that hourly to close, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
GJ for a minute will take money. That's all.
100%. Yo Max, which fund account do you recommend? I don't know. I haven't used any recently. So, what do people recommend in the chat? FTMO, probably a really good one.
Yeah, what's Spin on? How long's Spin been on? What my FOREX fund's been on there for long. So.
Yeah, you've done it for long, but the spreads are pretty shite.
Fuck off.
Steve just done that. Did Steve go fuck off? Let's move this on. 37 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream before we start London session. If we get 100 likes, we'll do a little magic keys giveaway. So make sure to like the stream. So the 5 minutes rejecting looking good. So maybe this might close below. Looking like it's tapped the 4 hour and rejected a little bit, which is good signs. So if it's 30-minute reflips, oh my god. Oh, magic keys. Like the stream, bitches. I'm broke. Need keys. Oh my god. I think the champion take that gold as well. I think he did. Interesting. Go on, Goldie, get down, boy. Do you think it's gonna do it? I don't know if it will. Oh, it's such a clean zone below as well. Like if you take a look at the 30-minute time frame, it's a clean candle all the way down to 1673. It's bloody gorgeous. Were you looking at? Are you looking at getting that monitor then, Bri?
Probably, yeah, but I'll look at the Asus one. I won't look at the Samsung one.
What's that one called again?
Asus ROG Strix.
Oh, it's this one, isn't it?
49.
Yeah. Wait, it's 379 quid. Fuck off. Yeah, I'll cut that shit
That's
today.
cheap.
No, that's a different one. That's a different
It's
one.
49 inch.
Is that cheap or expensive?
That's fucking cheap.
No,
400 quid.
No, you're looking at the 35 inch.
No, I'm not. 49.
There you are. Look, consider these alternative items.
Oh, fuck. Okay. Wait, is it sold out? That's why. Oh, it is. Yeah. Wait, let me put.
You'll be able to get it on Asus store.
Yeah, they'll fucking rip you off though. Amazon will give me cheap shit. Let's take a look. I need to look at all of these keyboard settings as well. It's sold out. It's ain't fucking there in Amazon shit.
What light have you got on?
What light?
Yeah, baby.
It's like a
keyboard.
wave. It's like a wave. It's like a... I like it. Oh, I love the aluminium on the back, man. It's ice cold. Oh, it's cool.
Like your heart.
Like my heart, yeah.
Ice cold. What are you getting, Brian? Is this for you?
I'd like to look at that, Finn.
Yeah,
Are
boy.
you looking at that $2,000 one?
Oh, it's 800 quid. Okay, that's fine. I was thinking fucking hell, 300 quid.
No, definitely not the 2,000. I don't play games and stuff, so I don't need the 8K or whatever. $1,000.
Yes.
How big's that? I can't really read your screen.
49.
Yeah,
49.
49,
Oh, fuck,
yeah.
that's huge.
Yeah, I just don't know if it'd be too big, man. Like,
No,
Yeah, but I want
way.
one screen because I want to get rid of my PC and move to a laptop.
I've already got fucking 2 monitors and I want to keep these as well. So, but yeah, that's fair. Exactly. Just thing is though, if you have a laptop, Bri, I don't know why you don't move anywhere, Bri.
Well, when we go to the wife's holiday house, then we go. Well, we go quite a lot in a year. You know what I mean?
That's true. It's just what I'm saying is, if you're wanting a PC that runs a fucking 4K 49-inch monitor, it's gonna have to.
But
be
I don't
some
want to pack the
beefy
boot
fucking
full of PC components like you, and then have to
No,
worry
no.
about my ports.
But yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean?
But you have to buy some
So
fucking
just get
big
the screen for
PC.
where I am, and then just get. No, you don't necessarily. I don't need
do,
it for gaming.
you
or
do.
anything.
Yeah, I
Nah, you
suppose-
could get away with it because you can turn the res down.
yeah, because you're not actually playing games. That's true.
You see,
Well,
I
The
don't need
new,
it.
the new, these new like Razer laptops, so they'll output 4K.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
They've got
So I'll
like
get
37
the
using them.
screen. I'll get the screen first, and then I'll look for a laptop that I like.
Old monitor giveaway.
End it.
Yeah. Old monitor giveaway. I've still got one of my OG monitors, but I think I like it for nostalgia. This right monitor is the monitor that I bought that got me into trading. I don't want to get rid of it, even though it's only in shitty 1080p. I just quite like it. It's nostalgic.
Don't ever travel with a monitor.
Yeah, but I could have told you
Heard
that
someone
before you
had a
did
bad
it.
experience.
I literally told you as well before you did it. I was like, I'm not risking that shit. You fucking idiot. I'd never do that shit. Put on a fucking plane. Oh my god.
Nah, but it's in private courier.
It doesn't give a fuck. Do you think the guys working at private careers give a fuck about your PC?
Mate, it
No,
shouldn't
they
have
hate their
broken.
shitty
It-
$10 an hour, man. They fucking lobbing
They're
your
gonna throw
PC
that
straight
shit
out
around,
their
man.
fucking.
It
they'll
was
lob
wrapped
that
in
shit.
towels
It
and
doesn't
bubble
matter.
wrap.
It doesn't matter if it's
and-
wrapped in towels if it's getting dropped fucking 10 foot.
No, there's no. It definitely wasn't dropped. It was something sharp was smashed into it. It was actually damaged. Put a hole in the box.
Interesting.
Like someone dropped a fucking star picket on it.
Oh my god.
Some samurai sword.
Yeah, man. Oh, this gold's gonna go, man. Right. 3 minutes left. I want this hourly to make a top wick first. And also close below. Is GJ there yet? Nah, GJ's not really anywhere I want, so gold's the one. Three minutes left. Look at the lower time frames. It's still holding. It's still holding. Break it. Here we go. So 3 minutes left for this. I hope the hourly makes a top wick. But I also know that this could just launch without me, and that's fine. But I really want this next candle to, you know, make the top wick first, and then we can get the flip, and then I can have stop loss above the previous there, or I can get the break at the low. But I also know that this candle could just close like this next candle open and just do this. That's fine. What I could do is get the break of this low with stop loss above. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's a great idea, Maximus. But I kind of want to get on that break of that low when this 8 o'clock opens. Don't hit it yet, please, for the love of Jesus.
Spelled Maxine wrong.
Maxine.
Where? The fuck's Maxine?
He's flossing with you.
Oh, JJ's coming as well.
It's weird.
Wait, where is this? What is
No,
Maxine?
because you said Maximus and Prime was like, you should send Maxine or something.
Oh, why is gold so close to this fucking low?
Just check it on the 5. There's the reason for that. You'll know what it is anyway. So just pick it.
Yeah. I'd rather it close like there, fuck around here, then break that low and push. That's what I'm gonna do. GJ, GJ's coming down too. Yeah. It's annoying. Which one are you gonna pick? I think gold's ready to go, me, and gold's cleaner. I think. Just close this minute, please, so I can put my fucking sell stop on. So it's going to be a sell stop 1684.74. Or 71, yeah. Maximus. do, 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 do. One
Easy.
close. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Okay. So I've got a sell stop break of this low here. If it breaks that high, I'm going to delete my sell stop. You get me? The reason why I'm getting the break of the lows is because I feel at 8 o'clock you get the most volume on the breaks of the lows. But this is the confirmation. This is the candle closure. You can get the flip if you fancy it. I just feel I'll get a bit more of the push once we break the low, stop loss above. But if it breaks that high, I'm going to delete the 30-minute high. The flip could be reasonable now, to be honest. But I'm just going to get in the break of the low. Oh, GJ booked back up as well. Interesting. Wow, Freaky Monday. We'll see. Do, 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 do. Random tangent, but these protesters in Melbourne need to fuck off. I'm just trying to get to work. Protesters in Melbourne. Ooh, interesting.
Really? What are they protesting?
What are they protesting? This is good. I like it hovering here. When it breaks that low, we should get a nice little drive. If it breaks that low. Protests, interesting. You see the Andrew Tate interview with Piers Morgan? I didn't watch any of it.
Yeah.
Oh, Piers is fucking, that interview really
He
pissed me off.
butts it in.
I don't-
Ah, shut the fuck up.
yeah,
Just
he's
speak.
alright sometimes, but that interview pissed me off.
Yeah, just let the guy speak for fuck's sake.
And mate, there was so many loaded questions he was asking. It was just like, he was trying to get an
of
answer
course
out
he
of
was
it.
gonna do that.
Yeah. Bit sketch.
Little bit sketch. Where is your break even? We'll see how it pushes. But looking like I might not even get in right now. Still holding support. Just
I'm in.
You're in.
I'm in.
In what?
Gold sell.
Oh, where did you get in?
1 minute.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Oh my
Five.
god.
Stop.
Why the
5.
fuck is my account logged out?
Oh.
One of my things isn't logged in. Fuck.
Hourly
And the
salary
profit.
play on GJ would be okay. But looking like the London volume hasn't came yet so far. I'm still waiting patiently for it. This Goldie has the closure below on the 15 and the 30. But I do know if it breaks that 30-minute high, we're going to actually probably fill up this range back up to 1689. So that's personally how I manage a great trade in terms of just, it's a great area to break. If it wants to break, it can. If it doesn't, then, it's faking out and I don't get hurt with the fake out. If you take a look at the hourly time frame, the hourly could be just making still the top wick, right? So you can always think about that. Maybe you can get in on the flip now if it reflipped. That's what you got to think about. Free Tate. Probably the rain that's coming. Oh God. I really want to go to New Zealand and go to that Lord of the Rings where it was all made. Gotta do that shit. 235 people this morning, amazing stuff. Yes, still respecting that high, boy. So if you take a look at the hourly, I know a lot of people will be getting on the flip now. It probably makes most logical sense now because it's actually made a top wick now. Stop loss would be much nicer as well. But if it still breaks that high, ain't looking too good, bruv. Even if it breaks that high though, to be honest with you, I'm still gonna look at it because the hourly is still reasonable. But broken the highs now. So
Ooh, I'm out now.
yeah, push you back in the zone. Take a look at the 5 minute. So I'm gonna delete my sell stop now. I gotta wait a little longer. But I still know that if this hourly reflips, if I'm still happy with this stop, then I may just take the hourly. It's only a 20 pip stop on the hourly, so I've got to take that into consideration. So yeah, broken the high. We'll see how it reacts at that level because, as I said, the hourly is still reasonable. And it's been making a lot of top wicks recently anyway, so that's fine. Thanks for the stream, Max. Love the vibe you have in the stream. Yeah. Got a good little vibe going on. So yeah, that's pushed up back in the zone. GJ is same thing. So yeah, it's just one of them things, man. We've had a beautiful London session for a good fucking 2-3 weeks now, so it's fine to have a little off day, especially when it's bank holiday. So that's the perfect thing, man. If you wait for the top wick of a candle, so if you see here, this is the candle closure below, that's a confirmation for sells. Then I wanted to wait for the top wick. I didn't just take the sell straight away. Wait for the top wick because I want to get the top wick and then the rejection from this zone. Okay, so the rejection from this area here. And then the reflip and the break of the lows to continue. So it avoids me getting into fake outs, which is good. So yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still looking at this hourly flip now. It comes back down there where we're looking pretty good.
Oh, no.
So yeah, GJ, in terms of on actual price as well, the reason why it's suffering at this level is because it's at 161. If you actually see in the basis of things, we're ranging from 167.50, 161's the middle, and 250 this area here. So it's just ranging between them quarter points. Can you look at EJ?
Miles cleaner.
Oh, it does. Yeah, that was the closure below. Ah, fuck, that was nice. Fuck's sake. Too
Yeah,
busy
fuck's sake,
staring at
alright.
too busy
Fucking my
staring at
FOREX
GJ.
funds.
What's wrong with yours, Finn?
I don't know, I can't get into one of my accounts.
Well, use the other one.
Well, fucking then I'm 100 grand short.
Better have something than nothing.
Yes, I'm back. Fuck me.
See what you have to the
What the
left.
fuck happened?
There's a little bit of minor resistance there, which is right at 250, which is where price is. But it's got London volume. It should be okay. The hourly looks pretty clean. How much did you get in on the flip, Warren?
Yeah, on flip.
So how much did you get up by?
It's
6 pips.
So, it has been dawdling around this area for a while.
Yeah.
So it's either get volume and drop, or it's going to slowly teeter back up, I think.
It's just at 15 here. See here.
I'm 30 an hourly, to be fair. I'm not really bothered about 15. But yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. That was a good one. That was a good one, Finny boy.
I sold
I
gold
can't
again.
help it.
Same, I can't help it either. You what? Sold gold again?
Yeah.
Very nice.
I've had
Yeah.
3 wins, so I've got plenty to play with.
Yeah, that's good shit.
And I'm on the 1 minute.
I'm still watching it, I'm not gonna lie. Just based on the hourly time frame, innit? Stop loss above 22 pips. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have my hourly one on now. I'm gonna get in on the flip. So what price will that be at now?
Annoying that it's just fucking around there a bit, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll put the sell stop on when it comes a little bit closer. Because how long for this 15? 5 minutes left. If this 15 closes weak and then breaks the low, it's a salary play as well. So I'll probably just wait until this closes. How do you trade 1 minute? You are crazy.
He's advanced.
It's not trading 1 minute, is it? It's trading the zones.
Yeah.
But using the 1 minute for your entry.
Yeah. Oh yes, 65 likes, amazing work this morning. Yeah, I think Champion got slapped on these gold cells. DC got slapped on the gold cells, GJ cells as well. So interesting. Hi mate, it's been a while. Just wondering, do you not use the trend lines for the gold now on the 5-minute chart? No, I do. Yeah, you're actually right. I haven't actually put them on. To be honest with you, though, I had one this morning. We just haven't got anywhere near it. I had this one here. That's the one I've got on in my head. I didn't have it on this chart, but this is the one that I know about. Yeah. There was one this morning here, but for me it was way too bearish. But however, I did like how he retraced all the way to there. To be fair, that was a nice little OB as well. Did anyone take that one? Thing is, it came a little bit further above. So there we go. Goldie's pushed back up, back in that zone.
Have a look at the 3 minutes.
Take a look at the 3.
You can see on the 15 what it was, eh?
Yeah, I took the neckline.
Wait, what is it on the 15? A W?
So check it the 3.
Good in the retest, you cheeky boy.
Oh, fucking gorgeous. Beautiful. Fuck, I didn't see it. 3 minute. Nice.
Keep going. Bushman.
That's actually such a good point. That's actually such a good way of trading as well, because you can wait for the closure below and wait for the top wick and then the flip, and if it works, great. But if it's just finding around there, just go to the lower time frame and you've probably got a W over here.
Steve, is your position okay there, bud?
You are?
I got break even. 1 loss and 1 break even.
Yeah, good stuff.
Have you got the trend line on gold?
Nah,
Yeah.
I don't.
I've already had 2 trades, and the trend line lines up with my last 2 trades. Exactly.
I just think we're still bearish. Come on, Ollie. Fucking launch down now. Launch down. So GJ coming back in the zone. Is there any other entries in GJ as well? Is this one?
If you just look at GG on the 30, it's doing the same thing. Right? So you've
Yeah.
got that 1 hourly support. Current price is stepping up on 30, which is again a double bottom.
Yep.
So you've got you got to go to the 15. Now you're getting that bullish engulfing, right? And you've got a neckline, but the neckline's in the range, which is what you don't like. You understand?
Yeah.
So you just got to kind of see what's for you to get it across to everyone. You know what I mean? You're not going to mess in a range. I will still maybe entertain it, but it's the same. It's the same concept. You know,
I like the gold one. I don't think I like it.
Yeah.
This one's too high up, I think.
Yeah, the GJ looks a bit messy to get in there, but you've got the key levels and the hourly support with you.
Yeah. That retest there was nice. 5 as well.
The gold
Wow.
retest on 3 minutes is also good.
Yeah, you could take the second one.
Yeah.
Oh,
super
ho, ho, ho.
Please not. Please not.
Yeah, I think he's gonna be good here.
Nice.
Needs to get past that 50. Minutes.
Waiting all fucking morning, man.
You're so friendly here in this group.
Fuck's sake.
Did you get 10 on the original buys, Brian?
Yeah.
The first one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit more than that.
Cheeky fucker.
So I mean, buys. I mean, yeah. If you're a runner above 1689, that's pretty clean. It's 16. Yeah, it's like 1692. That ain't too bad either. So GJ, I mean, we're right at the daily and the 4-hour flips. It kind of suggests that we aren't really doing much yet in terms of the higher time frames. Doesn't really have much of a direction, which is fair enough. It is a little bit of probably of a slower day with the bank holiday, so we'll have to see.
Yeah, that bank holiday snuck in quicker. We didn't even realize it was today.
Yeah. I was like, what the fuck? Not even bank holiday. Did EJ actually push? Take a look. Where the fuck is EJ? Why am I so far behind? Oh, there. Yeah, EJ, the same thing. So a lot of impulse traders over here this morning would have got bomber clattered. Trying to take these sells too early, boy. It can always still happen later on, but right now they've holding support pretty nicely. It's always such a blessed feeling when you're on sells and Brian and Sasha in buys. It's enough to send shivers down your cock.
Wait, is that high end?
Yeah.
Oh, definitely. You don't even need to know. You don't even need to know. He's got very good humor actually on it.
That's hilarious.
Why did you even say that? What did you
On YouTube. On the tuba. Hey, that little bit of oh wait, let's discuss the antics last Friday with the fucking news. So, Brian, how the fuck did you get that engine? Did you close? Because it fucking launched straight back, straight back.
Yeah, it went up 43, and I
Yeah.
took it. And the next minute it went up a little bit more, and then the next minute made the thing just dumped.
Yeah, it fucking launched. Wait, where did you actually find? Did you just look on the lower time to see like a 1 minute closing bullish or something? Like what was the buy? Because I know that we talk about where, especially when news isn't that aggressive and it comes down and then it retraces all the way back and comes back, up to these levels. But how did you know when it?
Normally with like a new spike, like if I think back to how we like trade, myself and Jason traded NAS, so you get this massive little like injection, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then price goes the opposite way to full buyers, right?
Yeah.
And then you get the continuation sell. So it's just volume that's scaring everyone. People are selling, people are buying, and the next minute the continuation carries on. And it was bearish, right?
Yeah. But where did you take your buy? Where was it? Here.
It was literally you took the sell and I took the buy.
Well, at the same place.
Literally on the same candle, mate. You know what I mean?
No, it was the same candle, but I took my sell and I got executed there, and I took 15 pips. But you took your fucking buy there. I'm pretty sure.
Let me just find it. I'll get it. I'll find it.
I think you were quite low down because it fucking launched. It launched after my 15 pips. I think did I just straight close? Did anyone hold it on?
You closed quick.
I just closed and I saw 15, 20 pips. I was like, fucking great. But it did, because I got gapped. I got gapped like to here, I'm pretty sure. And then I took my 15 pips like that. Because the stop then was fucking massive. I got the same gap as Roger, actually, yeah. Did you get a major 4-hour res? Yeah. Yeah, GJ just not in the best.
I think my buy fell on hourly support, which is why I went through it.
Yeah, I was thinking. So down here?
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
1695?
Yeah, I think so. That rings a bell.
So you waited for this lower wick and then you
wait for the injection, right? And then you see there's got to be a reason for it to reject. You know what I mean? You can't just, if there was no support there or whatever, I would never have looked at it.
Yeah.
You wait for the injection, you go the opposite way because you're going to get a reaction from support or resistances or a candle or whatever. And again, you take I held it on a little bit more. I think I got 43, 46 pips. closed, and then it just nutted.
Yeah, that's sick. Sick, man. Oh my god. Look, I'm trying to show you here. Look at this shit. Look, Brian, this is when you come into my new gaff.
What a res.
Look at this shit.
What a high-end res, eh?
Wait, what?
Res, a hostel.
Look at this
High-end
shit.
hostel.
Apparently everyone works down
Those
here.
couches turn into beds.
Look, you come in here, look all this fucking, look on this nice shit.
What is it?
That's where I'm moving. Like an apartment.
Looks like a
building.
hospital.
Fucking office.
It looks like a hospital.
Nah, it's bougie when you go in. Wait, let me show you upstairs. You can go upstairs. Dude. Oh, do they have a tour of the... No, they don't. A car hospital. What fucking hospitals do you have in South Africa?
Yeah, posh ones, they look like that.
My fucking
Private.
arse.
Private.
My fucking
yeah.
arse. Florence Nightingale hasn't even fucking told you about being safe with your fucking bacteria in that gaff.
We've got private. I've got private. You don't need that private. You say it's too expensive.
I got my... Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, don't try and think of words, mate.
And there's a little bit. So apparently you can book this bit, which has got like a fucking full kitchen and like, you know, thing. You can book that so you can like have people over for drinks and it doesn't have to even be in your gaff. It could be upstairs. Nice little pool table. Have some fucking bevs in there. Yes! I'm happy
Do you
about
get a job with a flat?
What?
Do you get a job with it as well?
Concierge.
No.
Max is running concierge at lunchtime.
A job with the fucking flat. Dennis, you actually move back to your place? Ah, yeah, just for the next week or something. Yeah, I just gotta be with my bro for a little bit. My mum and dad are living up in Marbella. Little cunts. They showed me the gaff they're in. Fucking hell. Some big boy.
Are you going to call these Goldie cells, Brian, or what?
It's not my show, mate. Mine's in the
Good.
afternoon. Eh? Make trading great again. YouTube.
These gold shells ain't coming anytime soon. I don't think. To be honest with you, the buys above 1689 might be a shout. But I just don't know if it's too bearish. Look at that 4-hour candle. It's pretty fucking bearish. Breaks my heart when I'm waiting for a sell and Brian tells Max to go in the 3-minute just to show him something. Wait, what?
Just show him why he's wrong.
Wait, I think when he's waiting for us on the 3-minute. It was definitely not a good day to start a funded challenge. I don't know. I think it was a pretty good day to start a funded challenge. If you base your trades purely on closures above and below, there's been not one trade you should have taken yet. There's been not one trade. The only closure below was the gold one here. It made a top wick. You're waiting for the flip and it never happened. GJ never closed below. So realistically, if you just trade the way that we trade breakouts and all of the trades that we take, there hasn't been one yet. Apart from the M's on Goldie. No, not the M, sorry. Was it the W?
Yeah.
W for the buy. That's the only one.
I've had 6 trades.
On the fucking Goldie boy.
I had one on GJ. When it touched the Asian lows, I bought it.
Oh
10
my
pips.
god. 10 pips. Nice. Oh, Taylor, okay. Now that was nice. On the 5s, take a look.
Sick trade. Six,
Yeah, man, that's nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Breaks are structured there. Yeah, that's fire.
I took the same trade on GU as well.
Well, the exact same one.
The exact
Nice.
same trade.
Let's take a look at GU.
Up like 40 pips.
Oh, that's not a bad morning. Damn, son. That's
Fucking
the-
nut. That's hot. That joke. Like that.
Yeah, that's fire.
Like that.
Let's take it because obviously it's on. Yeah, it's on fucking massive support as well, so it's perfect place to take them. Nice. Did you just hold?
She does. She's got bigger bowls than all of us put together.
Yeah.
Yeah. I held it.
Nice.
I was hoping for at least like 1 to 4. So
Yeah, that's good shit. Let's take a look at the hourly as well.
You're a weapon.
Yeah, let's take a look at the 15 as well. Yeah, that's sick. Was that just at 8 o'clock? Was that 7:55? Nice.
Gold banjo. The fuck?
What?
Then back up again. I closed the double top on the 3. Just full. But now it's pushing up again.
That was almost a 20 wick 1 minute. Handle there.
Max, do you
Fucking-
perhaps know if there is a bug with MT5? I've taken 2 trades this morning, but I haven't spent 1 second in profit. I think my plan is broken.
Oh,
Welcome to the
that's
stream.
elite. Oh, you're trading the wrong way, my man. Oh, that's hilarious. Sorry, it's actually not.
It's
But
so funny. By the way, the people in the chat don't get what I'm talking about. He's just hiding, taking the mick out of himself because he's still learning. And we all just fucking...
I thought that was a serious question.
No. It's not
Oh.
serious question. He's taking a piss. He's taking a piss.
Oh, fuck. I thought that was so funny.
Oh, God. That's great. Hein's a bit like a Grant, isn't he? The Grant guy. I miss that Grant guy. I want to come back.
A Grant X.
Yeah. He just
Right.
came out with some most outlandish shit. And my guy just sits there thinking of jokes. I love that shit.
What is gold doing?
I know. I'm still ready for these sells, mate. So what do I got to think? Well, if I got on the hourly flip, 34 pip stops, that's a no-no. 3 minutes left for the 30, probably have to wait until that. Yeah.
Brian's gone quiet, so you know he's in a fucking trade.
No, nothing.
He's chilling. But, no, it's not. A retest there could be quite interesting. People getting in a little bit earlier, but I'm not fucking around. It needs to fuck around.
Yeah,
this
it's
area. I'm just waiting.
now it's pulling a range. Yeah.
I'm fucking waiting until we get below again. Been a waiting game today for Goldie. But it's rejecting the highs again for like the 3rd time in the hourly. But, I mean, you know, what you've always got to say to yourself as well is, even though you might be looking at, oh, we could get the sales here. Realistically, right, what is happening here? We are just in a range. This is just a no trade range for me now. I'm just waiting for it to break. That's all it is. Same with GJ, really. A 15 minute on the 8 o'clock just launched. Yeah, so that could be the next thing. I'm just thinking, yeah, like, do I want to buy it before I move into the new gaff? Probably not. I have to fucking carry it. I don't know how heavy it is. Like,
What
is
you
it really
buy?
heavy? Is it heavy?
Oh, you buy
I want-
one of them big dogs.
Yeah.
But the box will have a handle, mate, so it's fine. And you can just have your concierge colleagues help you carry it upstairs.
Yeah, no shit. Just get your dad to hire someone. Fucking carry your TV in. It's not that fucking hard.
How could I? I'm just thinking it. If I had that 49, you don't know how big it is. I know it's fucking massive. So like, I'm trying to think of like just a normal desk. Like, is it gonna fill a whole desk and then I can't use? Because look, I can't play games on it. It's 4 millisecond response time. Hell no, I want a 1. So I want to use this one I've already got. But that might be a bit too big. So I have to put a fucking arm on that one.
You know what you could do? What I've thought about doing? It sounds stupid, but have like a spare desk there, and then have two. So I've got my gaming ones. I always have my gaming ones up on the wall. Obviously, you can't do that if you're renting a place, but you just need to come up with a way where you can have it in two split locations. If that.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
that's true.
Samsung, that's 1 millisecond response time.
Yeah, but it's also $2,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah, up about 700 quid.
I wouldn't want to play games on that wide. It'd be fucking weird. Like,
No, it's that looks at one.
I don't know. I feel it'd just be a bit too like. I don't know.
It's quite good.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man! This gold's pissing me off now. Every time it needs to close, it closes like right on it. It's like, oh, can you just like close a little bit further below? Okay, so the 30's closed. The salary play in the 30 looks reasonable. Your stop loss is gigantic. 35 pips. Oh, I don't know what to do with this, man. I think this is gonna go down. I think it's gonna break, but unfortunately, I think stops are gonna be a little bit of an issue for me. Bye bye, Goldie.
You, Goldie.
Yeah, that 3 minute was the retest there. That was nice. Yeah, 3 minute retest was fire.
Yeah, it was good.
Fuck's sake.
I literally was talking about it as well, but I just wanted to wait for this break though. But it literally said this was
because now you get anxious. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
to get
exactly.
in after a retest. You know what I mean?
I've just been fucking around.
My brain said close the trade at this 3 minute double top, the buy. So I close it and I kind of, you shut your brain off.
Yeah.
And then the fucking thing printed bearish again. Fucking hell.
Max,
well, Tom got at least.
Max, what else do you do in your day besides trading? Just beat my cock, to be honest. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Nice.
I'm trying to think of actually what I do recently, to be honest, because I don't go to the gym because
Well, it can't be much.
I just check off all day. To get the chat. Nah, man, I got a lot of admin to do, which takes a lot of time in the day. You have to do sim at 2 o'clock. After then I'm helping my dad out with his work at the moment, so I do that for like 2 hours. Yeah, I'm pretty busy. Towards like 6-7 o'clock, I'm pretty knackered, to be honest. We finished trading at like 2 o'clock, so after then.
Holy shit, gold.
Look at gold.
Gold is awesome.
Did you just buy it, Steve?
That range is strong, man.
Range is strong, bro. That's why I'm waiting for this fucking closure below here. Like, I'd even move this support there now. Like, yeah, it's just.
Yeah, it's confirmed.
You got a daughter, bro? I'm 22.
You've got 3.
I've got 3 daughters. Well, yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think actually, to be honest with you, no, I say lies at the moment. Well, I mean, at home here, I'm with my brother for quite a lot, helping him out, and yeah, when I'm with Caitlin, I'm normally just fucking, I'm making tea and shit. I'm like a stay-at-home dad as well, so I got all them chores to do. So yeah.
You don't know you're born stay-at-home dad, fucking hell.
Man, I fucking make tea every night. Like
wow, big deal. You make tea and make your bed.
You should have seen how my wife just looked at me now when you said you make tea at night.
I'm a fucking stay-at-home dad. Do I no? But what is the definition of a stay-at-home dad? He fucking stays at home. That's literally what I do.
Okay, you got it.
What is the definition? Right, what is the definition of a? Maybe I don't have a kid, yeah, but like.
You can barely look after yourself, let alone a kid, let alone a dog. You have to make a bet.
Mate, I've got
Make
fucking
shit
2 dogs.
tea.
I make a great tea.
No, your
Fuck
mum's
right
got
off.
2 dogs.
Stay-at-home dad. A man who has. Wait, what was this? I've just seen it. Well, forget the father bit because I don't have a kid. But he decides to not work outside the home because his wife makes more money. Well, not really. It's just, I fucking wish she made more money than me. But Lord Jesus, she plays me in fucking goat at the moment. Her fucking rupees.
That's why she pay you more if you made better tea.
Yeah. Maybe she sold some feet pics. She might give us a bit more money, but that law job gives you fuck all.
You might get tucked in every now and then. You know what I mean?
She's actually thinking of selling the feet pics. So anyone in the YouTube is a bit weird. If you want Caitlin's feet pics, holler at me.
Your missus wants to sell feet pics.
Yeah, bro. She's sick of being skint, bro.
Are there people out there that buy pictures?
Yeah,
of
man.
Yes.
Yeah, there's
So many.
loads.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Morning, guys.
For a lot. Morning.
Morning.
Oh, it's Julian. Where are you now, Julian?
Near Tynemouth. I'm now going to head to the gym in Blythe, then to Durridge Bay to take the dog for a walk.
Nice. Tynemouth's nice beach, man. That's lovely in summer.
There's some good-looking women in Tynemouth.
The fish and chips there are good
British
shit.
Women.
Yeah.
Yeah, good fish and chips.
Fish and chips there is banging.
Hey, what do you reckon what's gold done? Is it just spiked on the opening of the London Stock Exchange?
Nah,
And is it gonna...
it's just that it's got a really, really big solid support here, and it's struggling to break below. That's all that's happening. It's just bounced.
Okay.
Yeah, just bounced off of support. Wait, what?
Perfect, Goldie. Perfect for a week.
There's people who buy farts in a jar. Yeah, there fucking is. There's some weird people like bathwater and shit.
That is fucked.
Do you not know that shit?
I could sell that shit for a mint.
Do you not know like the OnlyFans people? They sell like fucking like just like pictures of like their feet for like 10. Some pay like £100, £200, some knickers and shit. It's fucking ridiculous.
Farts in the jar.
Yeah, farts in the jar, exactly.
Yeah, Taylor, tell us.
Yeah, let's have some stories. Models sell.
Is Jason the number one culprit?
Yeah, it's not suitable for YouTube.
Let's fucking
Right, this
SA
gold's
boys
gotta
are
go
dangerous.
up again, man. My God, the fuck is wrong with
Full
this?
ball.
It's just holding some support.
Steve's just buying and selling in this.
Mate, this is a bad.
He's just having fun on the 1 minute in this rain.
Fucking wick fill on the 30 minute. Look at the 30 minute. We need a wick fill.
Yeah, you're gonna get it.
Touch days and lows. It's got to fill the wick. Touch
Yeah.
the trend line. Sell it back down. He's the piss.
That is good. That's so good. When it rages so long, all you gotta do is just buy there and sell there, and just fucking wait until it breaks. Then you Gucci.
He's actually linked it. He said she made 200k
She
from
sells
selling
them
her
as
farts in
NFTs.
mason jars. Oh my.
There's a guy on YouTube that's got something crazy viewers, and he just goes around licking stuff.
Is his name Brian? Brian London.
Gotta be British.
Gotta be Brit.
A little bit fucked.
That's mad.
What conversation for a Monday morning?
Oh, mate, the conversation. You're new here, so Julian joined, I think, last week, like on Friday. Yeah, these conversations happen every day. You fucking have at least one conversation. Like, oh my God, like, someone came in here, like, oh yeah, I'm having this nice, like, corporate, like, yes, we're gonna be trading, we're gonna be very serious, and they come and we talk about fucking farts in a jar.
Things are tight out there. So, what are you doing at the moment? Are you just waiting for it to break out of its?
Yeah, so I'm waiting for Goldie here to break to close below, either close below here for sells or close above here for buys. That's all I'm waiting for, because
Okay.
this zone's too choppy. And the reason why it's both buys and sells, I prefer the sells because overall we're very bearish, right? So we're in a downtrend.
Yeah.
But the reason why I like both the buys and the sellers is because below we've got clean zone. If you look to the left, there's like nothing there. So like look here. So if you take a look to the left hand side, you've got this clean candle, which what means is that price likes to move quickly in that area. So that's 100 pips. That's a big move. So we know that if we get a closure below here, it's going to move very quickly because it's clean candles to the left always means price moves very quickly.
And it's got to. Has it got to fill that?
Yeah.
Because it's like there's money sitting there in the market.
Yeah, and the next time where it has a bit of a struggle and could make some support is there where this had resistance before and could act as support. So that's what you're looking for. Same thing with buys above. Can you see that this area here is pretty clean? These candles are clean, which means that price moves quick in them areas, so you can easily take a nice little piece out of the market there. But in this area, you can see clearly it struggles to find direction. So obviously the lads on the lower time frames can get good entries, but for the most part, like the 15 and 30 minute, this area sucks. Yeah. Same thing with GJ. It's if you're looking at buys right now, the only issue you've got is resistance there, resistance there, resistance there, support there, support there, support there. So you're buying or selling in this area at a tough place. Whereas if you just wait above this area, you've got a clean zone all the way up. Okay, you've got this whole area to fill. And if you look on the left-hand side from here to here, if I just highlight all these left-hand side candles, can you see that for the most part, when you come above 600, price moves very quickly to at least up here, which is 40-50 pips. So there's no point messing around in this zone when you know if you get a closure up here, it's going to be much cleaner to just ride this back up to the high. So yeah, and then you just wait, and if it doesn't come, it doesn't come. If it does, great. All you gotta do is wait. Exactly. Bro,
And in the meantime, we'll talk about farts in a jar.
Exactly. No, you get paid to wait. Bro, I am from Colombia. When are you coming to visit your fans over here? Colombia, my lord. That is a destination. £4 carrier bags? My god. My days. This might be the first London session where there isn't actually much of a breakout. In a while, it's been pretty much consistent for a while now. Every morning. There's been something. So yeah, I've got that little ClickUp thing. So today after the stream, after the homework, I'll go on it and put my tasks for the week. And just get them done. I want to make them
yesterday on your story.
Yeah, there's some people message me on Instagram like say they use it like all the time. They've made it proper good. Obviously, I'm shit with technology, so I'm still learning like all of the little things.
I'm surprised you need a reminder to get showered and shaved.
Nah, just to get it done. You can see it done. Jobs are good in. And so you can I'd call it a sprint because that's what my dad does with his codings. People, they call it sprints, like a week sprint. Normally a sprint's 2 weeks. But yeah, I want to look.
This is one of your dad's things.
Well, this is how we use. I mean, I won't show you my dad's because it's private. But the what we use for his company for making the app is all this. So basically, if I'm testing the bug, so I'm testing if the app's gonna work, I'll put in the open or to-do list. This is normally called a to-do list, and I'll go through the app on my phone, like if there's any issues and errors, put them in there, and then they'll be reviewing it. The team who can actually code, and then they'll say it's done. Then I go in the done and see if they've actually done it, and then I can tick it off. So that's how it works. It's good structure.
We used to use Trello.
Yeah.
And we used to have cards, and then you'd be assigned a card, and then you'd have to code on one card for the week.
Is that what Trello was for, actually, eh?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Mate, we built this app called Happy App, like a year ago, and holy shit, there was probably like 500 cards or something on the Trello.
Really?
You're trying to keep track of all of them at once. Yeah, it was ridiculous.
Fucking hell.
But you get assigned them, so
ClickUp's a heck of a platform. That ClickUp, you can do pretty much anything on it.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? I like it.
Yeah, that technique there's a book on it called Scrum.
Scrum, yeah.
Yeah, Scrum. So my ex-business partner introduced me to it. You have the sprint for 2 weeks, and then you have a review. But there is a book that explains it a lot more. I think it is called Scrum.
Yeah, I think someone said that in the YouTube chat as well. Scrum. I think my brother's left the house. I hope he's alright. Oh, EJ just dropped its ass. Very, very nice. 30-minute close below, actually, so it's pretty reasonable. I fucking keep on
It
forgetting.
took 22 minutes for it to move. I've been sat around break even for 22 minutes. Fucking thing.
You take it, Warren?
I got in it, I managed half, closed out when it went minus 10 pips, left rest, and it's been sitting on my entry up and down for fucking 20 minutes now. It's at 12 pips. So
Good job,
I'll
mate.
let it run. Just break even and let it run, see if I can make my loss back.
Holy fuck, gold is still playing.
Still playing.
It's in a range morning.
You know what I mean?
GJ looks interesting.
EU's got an M on it, right below. Come back up to retest neckline, maybe. Who knows?
Gold might finally go.
Stops are going to be
22 seconds on the 15 close.
Yeah, stops are going to be 30 pips, but fuck it. It's 1-1. Dirty out of it.
I love that. Fuck it.
Well, you can get to
Fuck
20
it.
pips and just go break even. You know what I mean? So if this candle closes, I might want to get the retest entry to save me a little bit of pips. Ah, fuck.
Why?
Oh no, it's gone. Lord have mercy.
Wake up.
Wake up, come on.
Let it go.
Ah, it's fucking gone, man. It's gone. Bye,
Let it
bye,
wake up.
gold. Wave it bye. Bye.
Let it wake up.
Fucking stop losses. 40 pips now. That's finally a good closure, though. Strong one, but I think this is probably just gonna nut. The last fucking second of the 15. We'll go in silent to try and get our entry. Come on, wick back up, boy. So the reason why is because we want a discounted price now because the stop loss is 40 pips. I'll wait for the 30/hourly closure. Yeah, I think you might miss it then. Wick back up, please.
Don't listen to him, Gold. You'll fucking plummet.
You can't.
Steve.
Steve! It's definitely gone. For fuck's sake.
Maybe
Oh,
not.
I was thinking about getting in a bit early before. I fucking pulled out.
You
I was
pussy.
too scared.
Might be
And it
alright.
fucking ended up working.
It's just gonna
So are
go.
you just waiting for it to come back and retest?
Yeah, so that could give us a nice entry, but for the most part here, we're just gonna push, right? But the only issue I have is that I'm gonna have to rock in a 40 pip stop. But what you can do is have a 40 pip stop, and then when it pushes, then you go break even and hope it pushes 40 pips. And the zone's big enough for it. But I just want this to wick back up to this support, and then I can get like a 28 pip stop, and it's a retest of the zone it wants to reject. So it's a perfect entry. It's just got to get there first. Oh, here we go.
Look to the left, Max. Look to the left.
What do you mean, look to the left? Boy.
Clean as fuck.
I know. Right, I think I might get in here, guys. Yeah, I'm going to take it. So, 1684.6. So, it's a big stop. I've got in here. But I have a feeling we're gonna get a nice little drive over here. So I'm risking 1% of this trade. So yes, the stop's massive, but I'm just gonna have to wait for 20, 30 pips. Let me just move this. And if I get 30 pips, great. If I don't, then that's okay too. There's the actual retest. So 1685.2 is a perfect retest as well here. So 1 second, let me just tell people. $11 left for this candle. Got a lot longer time, which is good to see. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look at GJ still messing around. And if this fakes out again back in the zone, that'll probably be me done in terms of trading gold this week. Sorry, not this week, sorry, this day, because it's a bank holiday and it would have faked out the 15. But it's beautiful. 1685.2. Tapping the Asian lows. This should be the 50-minute making the top wick, and then we should eventually flip.
Dilemma now.
You what?
Dilemma now.
Dilemma.
Either way, couldn't it?
I think it's still good for a sell. I actually took a second entry there. So I'm running 2. It's a good rejection that we want, eh? The 1 minute. Now to manage this trade, if this 50-minute closes back above, I'm gonna manage it. Okay. So I already know if this 50-minute closes back above the support, I'm closing. So I'm already up 5 pips actually on the higher one, but let it do its thing. It's still got 9-10 minutes of this candle. It's got a lot of time, so it'll just sort itself out. If it reflips, we should be good.
Who would ring in the middle of a trade?
I'm in a trade, piss off!
Southend on Sea.
Wait, what?
That's what it said, Southend on Sea.
Southend on Sea?
The second entry was perfect on the 1 minute, Max.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. I literally got it right at that high. 1685.26. Looking good. Flip that candle, bitch. Now fucking drop, boy. Okay, we're flipping, which is looking good. Just need to break that low and push. Almighty push. So for my first entry, which is here on that wick, I'm going stop loss to break even. And obviously the other one, I've got to wait a little longer over here. Should I go break even? Yeah, I might leave it on. We'll see. 8 minutes left. Still got a lot of time in this candle. This 5 just needs to fucking... Yeah, I don't really like that 5, how it's made a lower wick, to be honest with you. What I really want is I just want it to stay away from coming back above 1685. So if you want to cut your losses cut your losses a lot quicker, then just if it comes back above 1685 or 1685.6, then just take the loss. So I think that's what I might do actually now. If we come back above 1685.6, I'm gonna close full. So now I'm actually only risking an absolute very, very small amount. Move stop loss to 1685.6. If you're at that entry, beautiful. So pushing down up 4 pips on this entry that I've called out to the signals, 4 or 5 pips, which is good.
Sure.
So can you see, guys, I've went from a 30 pip stop to now a 10 or 9 pip stop. So now my risk is so small, I'm only risking 0.3%. That's how to risk manage, especially for a trade like this where it just needs to break.
Shouldn't come back now. If
No,
you're
it
in.
shouldn't.
Fuck, you wanted to go.
Yeah.
Are you guys
Gold?
funded accounts?
Yeah.
A lot of them are, yeah. Go!
I'm surprised this isn't gone
Fly
yet.
down, fly.
It's gonna
Here we
go
go.
now. Come on.
Go, baby.
Okay, I'm gonna go break even now, guys.
Good job.
Nut boy! obviously, because I've got a 30 pip stop, man, my percentage risk is shit. My first trade over here, though, is up 20 pips, so... sorry, not 20 pips, 15 pips. So, we'll see if we get this drive. If it gives it the drive, great. If not, I don't really care. Push, you ninked poop.
So I know this might sound a silly question, but what is actually pushing the market down? Because if people are doing what you're doing and wanting it to go down, how does it then get the drive for it just to then drop?
It's because it's a lot of fundamentals, right? But it's mainly just what's happening in terms of price, right? People like to buy gold, people like to sell gold. And for the most part, what we know from chart work is that the left-hand side is just the thing that's important, and also breaking of zones and structures and higher time frames. So it's quite a hard question. I know you're asking the things about the why it's actually moving. Why are we actually taking these sells? But it's just about focusing mainly on the technicals of how things move, just from back testing. But for this here, it's just price is losing. Gold is losing. $2-3 in this price right now. It's people don't like buying at 1685. They think that price is going to go further down. That's all it is, really. Less people are buying, more people are selling. That's all it is. So yeah, unfortunately, I do have a 30 pip stop, so my 1-to-1 is fucking miles away. So if it hits it, great. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna get a break even. But you guys can all secure profits if you want. If realistically you had a 30 pip stop percentage wise, but you actually put it to 7-8 pips stop loss very, very quickly, so you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna wait until you hit 30 pips. If we hit, great. If we don't, then I can't take anything off. It's only 1.4%. I secured 80% of my first trade, by the way, from the retest. Oh, we wick back up. So unfortunately, we hit break even over here. My little. Oh, did we? Oh no, I'm still in by the skin of my teeth. Fucking hell, I thought I'd wick back up.
Yeah,
I'm still in.
I'm still in the entry on the retest. Should be safe-ish.
Yeah. I got in at 660, so you might still be in. Some people might have got break even there though. Would you re-enter on the hourly for better confirmation? No, I think this is. I mean, yeah, you could do, but I think that's the perfect entry. That retest there was much nicer. I should have just waited a little bit more, but I was worried this was going to push, to be honest. I got in a little bit early.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
So we'll see if we can still continue further down. Come on, boy. Push down, boy. Taking a look to the left just before, so we do know that the hourly has to make a top wick. However, we kind of already just done that, so I think we could actually be good to TP1 over here, guys.
Melt,
boy, and go to TP boy.
Go down.
Go down. Very, very nice. Fucking hell, that was close. Hit me out there. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm just hoping that this next hourly candle doesn't make a top wick and just fucking launches down. And the confidence I have with that is that we've already kind of made the wick up on this 5 there, so we realistically should just drop. But it's 2 minutes left for the hourly. How much are we up by? 20 pips. I'll get like 1.2% for that. So I think I'm probably gonna close 80% of this trade when this hourly closes. We'll see. Push! 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 Come on. Yes, break the lows. 1682.7, boy.
There's nothing to the
There
left.
we go. Beautiful. There's absolutely fuck all to the left, yeah. Okay, I'm going to close them here, guys, at 26 pips. Yeah, 26 pips. So I've pretty much got my 1-to-1, and it's near the hourly top wick, so I'll close 80% over here. So I'm just going to go through why I closed a little bit early over here. So I actually closed here, right there, 500, 1682.5. Now the reason is, and we've actually discussed this on stream so many bloody times, is because the hourly is going to start, the hourly is going to close, right? The hourly has got 42 seconds left, right? Now if I know the hourly's got 42 seconds left, I know that the hourly normally, at the start of the hourly, makes the top wick. Okay, so what I mean by that is this next candle is going to open up and do something like this. Make the top wick flip and then maybe continue further down. Now, if you take a look at that, that means that sometimes your entry might not be safe. And if I'm nearly at a 1-to-1 and I know that, you know, we could potentially be wicking back up over here, I want to secure my profits, right? So I've just secured there. Around about 25, 26 pips. I've got my runner going, so if it does not make the top wick, I've still got a nice runner on. All the way down to 1673, which I'm going to hold. And that's all it is. So make sure to put some W's in the chat over here, guys. Really, really good work again. Great management in terms of the price action. We moved our stop loss very, very quickly to the perfect area, which is the retest area. Take a look at the 5-minute. We don't want a price to come back in this area. We would have been motherfucked over there. So beautiful. We waited patiently for this trade all morning. Beautiful work. So can you see here, guys, just what I've just talked about? The hourly's opened up, and look, it's just made a top wick. It's making top wick. So look, from that start there, it's already up 8 pips. So can you see? This is not me being Mystic Mike and going, oh my god, how the fuck does he know this is going to happen? It's just when you go on a backtesting software and you do this 15,000 billion times, you know that it makes a top wick, and you know you want to secure your profits before it makes that top wick. Just caught a beautiful trade with a group over here. 25 pips on gold. W's in the chat. Very, very happy. Very, very nice. What's the name of the software? FOREX. It's really good. I mean, if you don't have it and you actually trade in it, it's like, I don't know, it's like, how should I say this?
Hit me up.
yeah, hit Sashin up again. Sashin's offering it for £20.
And I'll even give you an instructional video on how to use it.
Yeah, and the retail over it is 100, so he's, yeah. I'll post Sashin's Instagram in the chat in a sec. So there we go, look, we make the top wick. Now we should continue, and runners should continue further down, which would be a good stinker, to be honest with you. You're kidding? Oh, for real? No, I'm not kidding. Sashin offers it for 20 quid. and it's £100, or I think it's £100, or maybe $80, £100 on the actual website, so it saves you a lot. I didn't enter on that. Could I enter now on the break of the previous lows? I think that would probably give you a worse entry, and your stop loss would be 16 pips. But you could get the push still, yeah. The flip there might not be alright as well. But I think for the most part, that was the entry you wanted, because this 115 closed below. This one made the top wick. Beautiful. Sash, Brad, did you take that?
No, mate, I've had a few this morning. But it was a good trade. Yeah.
Did you not take this one?
No, I didn't take that one.
I'm surprised you didn't get the retest there.
No, I was looking at GJ. I'm still waiting for that 30.
Ah, okay. You're looking at GJ. You're staring at a fucking brick. You're staring at a fucking blank wall there. That's fucking shit.
Oh, don't you worry. Those blank walls pay big, boy.
Yeah, on the 3-minute. What was I going to do?
It was a good trade. I was watching it on the screen, but I was just watching something else.
What are you looking at for GJ, Brian?
Don't you worry, boy. Don't you worry.
He's such a fucking he's such a cunt.
It's probably gonna fake that out, but at the support. So I don't want to get involved there at the support.
You don't want to sell here, no.
Yeah.
So there we go, gold 25. So there we go. We should continue over here for the runner. But then an example of managing the trade, taking your profits, because this top wick could have just hit us out and we would have been pissed off, right? So if you take a look here, obviously we still got the runner going, but I'll just show you how this calculator works. So we took this at 847, or somewhere near then, because I just put it on there. 847. Okay, we took it was on the 10th. Gold, we took a sell. We actually got the retest, but it was a breakout. It was just the retest entry. I'll just do breakout. And here, retest. Okay, on the 15 was it? Or was it the 30 as well? Yeah, it's 15. Okay, 15 minutes. So the stop loss at the start was 30 pips. Okay, so it was a big stop. Okay, I closed 80% at 26. Okay, and then close full, my 20% position still on. And then you can get the true value, and then that's the percentage actual gained. Okay. Onion, the fuck is that? Onion play is what Don came up with. So yeah, hopefully we can continue. Obviously, the reason why we think it's going to continue is because the left-hand side's clean, right? If this wasn't clean and choppy, we'd probably be closing all of the trades right now. But it's not, it's clean. So this should realistically still drop, and it's got a 100 pip zone, so. God, that took so long, but it was worth waiting for it, eh? Worth waiting for it. So this is a good example as well. For people that might have just got in, tried to get impulsive and tried to take these trades maybe a little bit more aggressively, remember that sometimes it can really hurt you, and you could have like 3 or 4 losses here. And all you've really had to just do is just fucking sit in your ass all day and just wait until you got to close your below, and then you would have had it. You know what I mean? What I used to do as a beginner is I'd take these impulse trades, like, I don't know, there. So even though that impulse trade was actually pretty decent, that one there was pretty reasonable. I just waited for the 8 o'clock. For the most part, it can have some struggles, and you can actually take like 3 or 4 losses, and then when it actually closes your bullet below, you're like, why don't I just take that fucking trade? It was so easy. So yeah, always remember that. Just be patient, wait for the closure, and then there's no worry. Exactly. Yeah, the retest entry is nice. I maybe got in a little bit too early on on the pull-up, but I was a bit cautious I was going to miss it. But the real retest was there, so I took a little bit of drawdown that first entry, but it's fine. Took 1 L impulse. Well, there you go. And write it down, and remember, like next time, probably not do that. If you actually take a look at the because I took a trade, guys. I took a trade last week, which was the 4-hour Asian lows. It was this, this candle here. I took this trade last week. We all took it. It was the 4-hour break of the previous low, the hourly, the 30-minute, 15. Now, the reason why I didn't take this one was, first of all, because the stop loss above the previous was fucking huge. And if you take a look at the time, it wasn't 8 o'clock, whereas the one before was 8 o'clock. If I want to take an impulsive trade, 8 o'clock's the best time for it, right? So that was also what put me off. I normally like having the 8 o'clock with me. Okay, 76 likes, guys. If you did take that trade, make sure to give it a like, follow, all that kind of good stuff. And if you guys do want to join us for NY session, we have a private group which we trade on Zoom together. For NY, so I'll put the link in there. We're actually going to go through some homework that I submitted like last week, which is all about zones and where to take trades. So yeah, still messing around. So let's just. Is anything on the 15 here? Nope. Nope. So TP's two's down there. I'm just gonna hold it, see, because it's clean. Is there any retest areas that could be an issue? Nah, it's already done it. So we'll actually be all right over here. Took an L, also got in too early. Yeah, it's just one of them things. How do you calculate your percentage, guys? Okay, so let me just do this for you. So let's just say that I close full at 50 pips, right? Let's just say I close full at 50 pips. So I, at the moment, use percentage risk, and I risk 1.4% per trade. Okay, so if I've got a 30 pip stop loss, I close 80% of my trade at 26, and I close full at 50. What is the true value? Okay, so let's just go to a calculator. Okay, so I close at 26 for 80% of my position. So 26 times 0.8, okay, because you've got 80% of 26, plus 50, because that was the next TP, 50 times by 0.2, because that is the remainder of your trade left, okay? So it's 80% of 26 plus 50%, 20% of 50, and that is your true value of pips. So 31 pips, right? So you go here, 31 pips. Now to W, now this calculation here, all it does is do this number here, divided by this number here, times by 1.4. And you know, I secured 31 pips in total. My stop loss was 30, so I made 1.45%. Okay. Obviously, we don't know our close full yet because we haven't hit it. And there we go. That's how you do it.
You'd be better off making a little video or a little explanation for that and just posting it somewhere. Not
Yeah.
to explain it.
I know, on YouTube, it's true. Good point. You also get $5 off the price if you send him a dick pic. Oh my god, what the fuck? do 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 do. What trade did thing take again? One second. So, hey, you know Donville? Yeah, Don's my boy. Don's my boy. Oh, by the way, I've got FIFA all running up, so I might stream some FIFA. Maybe today, actually. I was playing last night, and man, I do think like if there was a camera like play me right now, and I'm fucking raging, it would be quite entertaining. So there we go. I've changed the thing as well. Yeah. So probably gonna leave the runner on. But that's me done for the session. That was the only trade I really wanted, apart from GJ sells below, which we haven't had yet. And there you go. Get paid to wait. All you gotta do. So, people in the mentorship, at 9:30, we're going to go through the homework. So, hope to see you there. We'll go through the homework, do all the zones. If you have any questions, it's a really good time to go through questions. So, if you're new to the group and you maybe get confused in some aspects, please come and you can ask as many questions as you want. That's the whole point of it. You know, I want you to feel comfortable asking me questions. So, yeah. See you guys later. Adios, amigos, Zoom. Peace out.
See you later. Bye.
See you later, Alligator. See you later. Peace out.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. There's the mentorship link if you guys do want to join the group. It's only £50 a month, so if you've got an account anyway, we've already we've done 6-7 winners this week. Last week and today already. If you just work out the and all the signals are put in the chat, all the webinars, all the simulations. We do 2 simulations, 3 simulations a week, a webinar a week, homework every 2 weeks, and you have also a group of like-minded people. It's pretty good. So I'll put the link there to join the mentorship. And yeah, we'll see you guys later, man. Peace out, squad. Adios, amigos.